of their ability to conceive. Bata. Wala nang iliban na bagong bata. Wala, diba? Reference ko sa human aspect. The gender disparity was inherited by the gender disparity was intensified by the industrial era, where factors were built and men were preferred because they did not have to bear children for what? For 9 months, and because of this, and because of their physical strength. So, during the time of knowing the gender and sexuality, they have this called patriarchy. So, what is patriarchy? Basta, patriarchy is patriarchies. A close examination of our society that leads us to see the invisible layers of knowledge oppression in our society, like patriarchy, a system based on the control and oppression of women, where they are perceived to be weaker sex. It is a structure that upholds male supremacy in the law, upholds the workplace and society. Patriarchy is from the Greek word patriarchis, which means the root of the father. It is a social system designed from permanently hold power in the political and private sphere. This means that in the social system, society is organized and distinct in a way that men are controlled over women the social, legal, political, and economic spheres. Men are expected to relate and are relegated to households, bearing children and society. Okay, so ano daw ang patriarchy? So when we say patriarchy, that is the role. Ha? Hindi nga role ang